Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Go Lenta Science. Today we are diving into intriguing world of seafood as we explore the science behind why prawns undergo remarkable color transformation when boiled. If you are curious about the magic happening in your pot, you are in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tasty explorations. Now let's uncover the secrets of prawn color changes. First, let's talk about prawns. These crustaceans comes in various colors, from shades of blue, green and brown to distinctive pink or orange. But why does this vibrant color shift occur during cooking? The key player in this color changing phenomenon is a natural pigment called astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is present in the shells of prawns and is responsible for their reddish hues. However, in its raw state, astaxanthin is often masked by other pigments, resulting in the prawn's original coloration. As we subject our prawns to the boiling process, the heating causes the proteins in the prawn's shells to denature and unfold. This in turn breaks down the cell walls and releases the astaxanthin from its hidden compartments. As astaxanthin is released and exposed to heat, it undergoes a chemical change known as isomerization. This transformation turns the pigment into a vibrant red-orange color, giving prawns that appetizing hue we associated with perfectly cooked seafood. There are also factors that can influence the intensity of the color change. The prawn's diet, genetics, and even the specific species all play a role in determining the final color we observe on our plates. And there you have it, the science behind why prawns change color when boiled. It's a beautiful example of how heat and chemistry collaborate to create mouth-watering dishes we love. If you enjoy this deep dive into food science, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating exploration into the science behind your favorite foods. Until next time, happy cooking and stay curious.